Hi everyone, welcome back to My Creative Ego. So, guess what I found at Michael's? You can probably already tell, but it is that time of year again when we start finding these grab bags. And I gotta tell you, I actually bought some items, and then the cashier that I got was the one who actually saw me fall when I tried to pick up some other grab boxes. And you guys are probably familiar with that story. If not, I will leave it in the link down below. But you guys know that I picked up boxes before, and yeah, little funny story on that one. But at least she remembered me, and she asked me if I saw the grab bags that they had just stocked, and I was like, no, I didn't. So here I am paying for my stuff, and I'm like, guess what? I'm gonna see you again because I'm gonna grab me some grab bags. So I picked up a few of these, and let's go ahead and get started with the very first one. So I got a few activity kits. I'm not going to open all of them, only the ones that I find quite interesting. So I'll show you some of my projects, maybe a tutorial here and there. So this one I thought turned out really, really cute. I actually opened this one because the little egg kind of had like a little mermaid vibe to it. So I thought it would be really, really cute. So I turned one into an Easter card, as you can see here. And I love the effect, but the tissue paper itself kind of lifts in some areas. So I just backed it with some white cardstock. I really like the effect of the tissue paper. It's kind of like a stained glass effect as well. But the stickers that you see on here, the religious stickers, those are actually from the Christmas grab bag that I picked up from Michael. So I'm so happy that I was able to use it in this project as well. And then also I made some gift tags with it. So instead of using the tissue paper on these ones, I actually just used a regular glitter cardstock on it, and I thought it turned out really, really cute. So I got two of these particular designs for this egg, and then there was another one, a third one that you can see here that actually had a different design to it. And then these little rabbits, I actually thought they were the same thing at first, but they're different. One's a puppet and one's just a little craft kit or doll. And then these are gift tags. And then this little chick, it's actually foam stickers. And I thought that this one was so cute. So it's actually a little chick that's made of a bunch of little pom-poms. And so it's actually on a mini paper plate, as you can see on the picture itself. And this little chick makes a chirping noise, but I don't know. It was making a chirping noise earlier, and now it doesn't want to make the chirping noise. So I can't get it on camera. I guess it's camera shy. And then I really like these little foam bunnies. They kind of remind me of Peeps, so I'll probably do some little altering on it and turn them into gift tags. And then let's see, oh, these clings. So I don't know, if you guys have bought these clings before, let me know if they dry up. So I'm not sure if these projects are going to last because I'm not really familiar with these clings, but I figured that I would keep them in its original packaging with the acetate both on the front and the back of it. And so I turned mine into cards. The only thing that I'm worried about is I'm not sure if these gel clings are going to dry out later on. So I just tested it on one pack, and I don't know, I guess I'll just keep these until next year, so we shall see. But I'm really hoping that it just kind of keeps the shape and everything and the colors because I think it turned out really cute. So super happy that she told me about the grab bags, but still a little embarrassed that she remembered that embarrassing moment about me. But I will tell you that this is something that I would never have found on my own because this was actually located in the basket aisle, and I rarely ever go to this particular aisle. I mean, I do gift baskets every now and then, but the baskets themselves can kind of get pricey. So if you are into giving or gifting gift baskets, then this is something that you might want to look into because there was a lot of bags that had tons and tons of baskets in them for $4. So as you can see, there is a lot of egg decorating kits. And at first, I thought I was going to give this to my cousin because she's a teacher and I thought she could use it. But then as I looked at it, they had a lot of these little tablets in there, which is actually what colors the Easter eggs and stuff. And I thought maybe that it could be mistaken for candy. And so that kind of got me worried. So I was just like, I think I'll hold on to it. And also because of the fact that the natural one on these ones with the kind of like earth tones on here, a lot of the packets in here were actually kind of ripped. So yeah, I was happy that I had this little cloth underneath everything because cleanup would have been a pain. Because yeah, and plus I would be worried that my carpet got stained, and yeah, that's not good either. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this and let's go figure out some ways to use it. So let's go ahead and start by addressing the packaging of all of this because there is a lot of it. So there is a particular way that I wanted to cut all the items. So as you can see, the sides of the boxes actually have these like little decorative like strips, so I wanted to keep those intact. So I just cut the front and I cut the back, and the sides actually remain the same so that I can reuse these pieces in other projects. So I just took a few of my tag templates, and as you can see, the front of the cover has a lot of images that you can use. So as you can see right here, these were perfect on its own. I really didn't need to do any type of decorating with it. And then this one has a few words that I might want to cover up later on. And the back of the packaging, it actually has some circles that you need to cut out because this is where the eggs are supposed to stand on when you color them, but I'm not going to be using it for that. So the little circles will be more of a decorative piece to the tags, and all I did was I just kind of just decorate it any way that you want. You could do birthdays, weddings, and fashion. It's just whatever type of embellishments, and it's a great way to use those extra embellishments that you make. So let's address these little plastics that come with it. So these are supposed to wrap around the egg. If you don't see them right away, you might want to look in the box because a lot of them got stuck to the side of the box. I think it's some sort of static issue. So you guys will see that some of these things will look familiar because I just hauled some of these items, but I did make some paper clips, and I thought that this would be a really great way to package them. So these bags are perforated, so it's going to be open on the front and the bottom. So I just put my what are these? Paper clips. So I put the paper clips in there and then I sealed them with my fuse tool, so the top and the bottom. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. I gotta tell you guys, it's way easier using the ruler because every time I try to freehand it, I kind of burn the sides sometimes. So these were the ones with the ruler, the Hello Kitty ones, and then these were the ones that I kind of freehanded because as you can see, the macaroon's a lot wider, so you can't really put the ruler on there and have it seal. Nevertheless, I think that they turned out all right. So this is what it looks like, all completed. And now let's address some other things that came with this. So you also had that little crayon tool, and then you had the colors for like the powder or the tablet form. And so I'm just following the directions on how they say to mix it, but I thought in my head that maybe you could probably use it for watercolors. So I did use the crayon to kind of wax out some of the areas that I didn't want the paint on. And as you can see, these crayons kind of break. They break really, really easily. I do like the tablet forms because I think that the colors come out a lot more vibrant. I will say that when I picked this one out, I thought it was going to be blue, but it is indeed green. And the one for the natural, the powder side of it, that one was supposed to be blue, but it looks more purple. But like I said, the tablet form, those colors are a lot more vibrant. And as you can see, it does kind of color. It colors it, but it's still not as good as a watercolor. So I thought maybe, you could probably use it to, like when you use tea or coffee to stain like fabric. I thought maybe you can use it for that. So I took a piece of a ribbon to see if it would work. So this is what it looks like. But to be honest with you, it's not really a good indication that it will work because it hasn't dried yet. So once it dries, I'm going to try to wash it out to see if the color stays or if it washes right out. So this was everything that came in the grab bag, and like I said, the baskets will be in another video. Yeah, and I still actually have 2 more grab bags that I need to post, so I will try to get that out soon. So I was hoping that I would get stickers, but I didn't. But I do like the variety of this. I'm happy that they didn't put all of the same item in this box, kind of like the very first grab box that I picked up and posted on my haul videos a while back. I am Mama24. If you're watching, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's haul. Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, if you like the haul videos and the projects, I never really know when I'm gonna post videos. It's pretty much whenever I have the time to create the projects and also to, you know, film them, edit them, everything like that. So if you're interested in seeing what's in the next 2 grab bags, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you want to be notified of the new videos, don't forget to hit the bell. And I think that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. And roll on down to my newest videos by hitting subscribe.